Good morning, engineers. Quick video here to give you an idea of what I want to see for aspect 2 of the graphics unit. Aspect 1, if you remember, was you built a code that prompted the user for their name and a radius. The code then calculated and displayed the diameter, the circumference, and the area. You're going to use that code, so you can either add directly to it or you can copy that code and modify the copy. But all we're going to do is add a simple graphic that goes with that code. Let me show you how it should run. Here's my graphics window, and here's where the output from the last code went, aspect 1. I hit run code, prompts me for my name, put that in, prompts me for the radius, just like before. I'll put that in, and there it is. Right? In addition to all of the variables that we calculated in aspect 1, now all we've done is we've put a simple graphic on. I made my circle red. You can choose whatever color you want, but it's centered. I want yours centered. And then I just put a little bit of text. All I need to see is one of your variables. I used radius, and the radius is centered on that, and it's black. Right? I think you get the idea. If you have questions or need help, I'm available during email, and you can also come to my office hours 3 to 4, Monday through Thursday. Good luck, engineers. I hope to see your work in the sandbox maybe by tomorrow. What do you think? Okay, bye.